Hi guys, it's Debbie and I'm painting full today. Anyways, I'm having a good time painting. So, and I'm kind of back doing a few of these very fast, sort of like a poured painting. Anyways, I'm going to put a bunch of black on this, black latex, and I'm going to keep it so it's kind of thin so it's movable, and I'm going to take a cup with a hole in it and take it across the top. I've done a few of those. I'm not sure what order these videos are going up in, but I've done a few of them if there's a few of them in front of this, and I've been having a blast doing them, and they don't take long at all, and it doesn't really take much paint at all. You buy a can of black latex and put it on your canvas. If it's not thinner, not meaning you don't want it real thick, you want it a little thinner. So like a cheap latex paint works great. And if you want to put, you don't have to do this, but if you want to put a little squirt of silicone or Rain-X in there, or, you know, actually there's a few other things you could put in there too. Anything, you know, you could test all the different things people are doing, dish soap, whatever. I am not a real big experimenter, so I like to use the silicone and the Rain-X. Anyways, all of my paints have a quick squirt of silicone in them, and the black has just the Rain-X in it right now. And they're all mixed so that they're very moving, meaning they move. It doesn't just stick there. When you tip it upside down, it's going to move. So, okay, that's it. So I'm going to pull you down. Whoa. Hi guys, it's Debbie, and I'm going to work on a poured painting today. I've worked on a few of them, but I'm not sure what order that's coming in when they get loaded up onto YouTube. So, anyways, I'm using a black background. I'm using black latex. Has a little squirt of Rain-X in it, and it's put on, you know, if you've bought a cheap latex paint, it's usually the perfect consistency. If you bought an expensive one, put a little water in it and make it so it's just a little bit thinner. So, you know, like I said, the cheap paints work really great. They're the perfect consistency. So if you go to Lowe's, usually they got a low line of, I think it's Valspar. Let's see if I have any here. I thought I did, but I don't see any offhand. But anyways, this one is a little more expensive, so I put a little water in it. And then the rest of the paints all have a little squirt of silicone in them, and they're all mixed rather than if the ones I mixed down from that I pulled out the tubes of the jars. I made sure that they're either mixed with Floetrol or they came already to the thinner pouring consistency. So if they're coming out of a tube, I've had to mix them up with the silicone. Okay, so I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to put the paint in a little cup. It has a hole in the bottom. I can see you. Let's see if you can see the hole. Okay, it can be bigger than this. The one I am using has a bigger hole. The reason why I'm not showing you, it just has a little touch of paint and some of the color that I want to use on this painting. So I'm mainly going to use a little red and yellow mixed onto this black. And I think that's it. I'm going to pull you down. Okay, so here's the paint I have. And I'm just going to put the little lid on it and give it a quick shake, so it doesn't shake all over everything I own. See, it's pretty liquid. And I'm into doing these black ones right now. I can't tell you why, but I'm loving it. I'm having fun with this. I'm just quickly going to run it all over on here. It doesn't matter if it's getting a little color on the top of the painting, because there's going to be a lot of colors on there in a few minutes. I don't sweat it too much. This is paint. You make a mistake, heck, you can fix it or change it or repaint it. So, you know, there's no reason getting upset. Of course, you got one all done and then you which I've done many times when I was selling them before. Accidentally sling some paint on it, on a finished one that you spend a lot of time on, unlike these little tiny ones. Okay, so let's see, we'll start this one. We'll start over here. It has mainly a little tiny bit of brown. It doesn't, brown and a little leftover blue. Little tiny bit. Of course, that's probably what's going to be coming out. And I think the yellow is mixed too thick. Oops, I didn't want that to happen. Okay. Okay. Let's That was pretty quick, huh? Okay, let's give it a quick torch. I'd like to see the bubbles more near the edge, of course, because that's in the middle. So, how much is left in there? Not really, not too much, if anything. What do you guys think? This is just a 10 by 10 size, so there's not, I mean, they're pretty quick to do. There's not too much to some of these, which is sometimes a lot of fun. Oops, I bumped that. I kind of like that just the way it was. But I'm going to leave that alone. I kind of like that. What do you think? Anyways, I'm going to give... It's a quick video, guys. Anyways, thank you for stopping by.